Hi, it's Candy from Pink Paper Gaga. Today I'm going to try and show you how to use everyday junk mail and make it something for your journal. So I had this Geico envelope. I think it was, yeah, Geico. And I knew it was junk mail, so I slithered off the end of it because I like this huge glass or plastic window here. So this is my scrap box, and I'm going to try to use some scrap from it to decorate this card. So I have all kinds of things in here. I'm just going to try to pull out a few things. So let's see if we can make this halfway decent. This is a pretty paper here, but I'm going to need to trim this white off of it. So let's try to do that first. And we're going to run some glue. I'm just using a glue stick, and I'm going to run some glue all here. And we're going to put this here. I'm deciding if I want to ink it up first, and I think I do. Just the lower side for now, because once I get it glued, I won't be able to do the lower side. So we're going to put this here. I'm going to try to get it close to the edge here and cover the window edge here. And then we're going to maybe some of this hymnal paper here. Let's cut a little bit of it here. We can get right to the pretty stuff. Okay, so I'm going to glue this piece and ink up the inside. And we're going to put that here. Try to cover that little area there that is showing the corner of the window, which it doesn't have to be perfect. We can always put a sticker there or something. And see what else we have in here. Next card, I have a lot of tiny pieces. Stickers. How about this one? Or this one? So we can put this here. We actually could, it's long, so we could actually put it on the bottom. But let's find a piece for this side here real quick. How about just this? This is perfect, and we're going to ink up the inside. And we can always go back and ink up the outside. So we're going to put a little glue here. I'm going to put this here. We'll overlap it a little bit since we did on the other side. Like so. And go ahead and cut this off. And we're going to glue this strip. And we're going to ink up the inside of this paper. I don't think I'll be using all of it, but I'm going to ink it up and line it up nicely here. And then we're just going to make our cleanup cuts on the back. And I always save these little strips of colorful paper for when I make snippet rolls, which I really like to make. And I use them in my journals for embellishments. So there we have that. And we could put, you can always add some stickers and embellishments or whatever. Some words. I'm trying not to get myself in the video because I'm just homebound and looking gorgeous. So let's see. How about let's do Let Your Heart Be Light. That's pretty. And I'm probably going to use this window this way because I have a long journal that I'm making, somewhat long. So should I put it here or should I put it here? I think I'm going to put it here. And so now we can ink up the outside really quick. And we have, let's just use this piece of paper here because I have it in front of me. We have a beautiful window pocket that we can use in our book for all sorts of goodies. You can even put pictures. Let's see if I have a picture that will fit in here. How about something like this, like a picture inside. And there you go. That's junk mail. That's free and using your scraps. So I think it looks cute. I'll use it in my journal that I'm currently making. And anyway, thanks for tuning in. I'd love a like and a follow. I have a YouTube channel, Pink Paper Gaga, and a Facebook channel. And thank you for watching my tutorial, how to use your junk mail.